Biamono muriketonde mo Stephen ase oroboti ururu ikirano ekarabono togo saba nyasabe gakuyagata amate na baigo koba chinguru togotigana nayo nigo umrai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto litkolya lero abaga gutwarege ikaro na ekiombe kyo gosangereria ebango Kenya Revenue Authority murobiri okorekana ase amagacha KICC me umucho Nairobi okwana chinga kyecho Ruto nigo aganiria abanyakiomba abo kwene kyabunango sangereria bare bango ase nchire wenete Kenya.
GDP has risen to Kenya shillings 12 trillion, yet KRA only raised about 14% of GDP in revenues last year. In the past, KRA was able to raise 18% of GDP. If we collect the same target today, then we would have raised an extra 400 billion shillings. In that case, I expect KRA to raise at least 3 trillion by the end of the next financial year and to double the current collection in 5 years. Let me repeat, for the avoidance of doubt. I expect Kenya Revenue Authority to raise 3 trillion by the end of next financial year and to double the current collection in 5 years. Now time for a radical shift in our KRA model, focusing on a robust service charter anchored on technology, which explicitly commits to transform customer relationships, simplify the taxpayer processes, and optimize existing facilities to provide efficient services.